Yield and defectivity in semiconductor industry. Welcome to this session on yield and defectivity in the semiconductor industry. Yield and defectivity are fundamental concepts that determine success in manufacturing. Yield measures how many functional chips are produced from a wafer, and defectivity tracks the presence of unwanted particles, process issues, or material flaws. Together, these factors impact three major pillars. First, manufacturing excellence. High yield and low defectivity indicate a well-controlled process that consistently meets design specifications. Second, quality control. Monitoring defectivity ensures that chips function reliably, which is crucial for end-user performance and safety. Third, economic impact. Yield losses translate to lost revenue and higher production costs, while defect reduction strategies help increase profitability. This presentation will guide you through the essential principles and practical insights to help you understand and manage these critical parameters in semiconductor production. Future outlook and conclusions. The future of semiconductor manufacturing is being shaped by an accelerating wave of innovation. Between 2025 and 2026, full AI integration in fabs will revolutionize operations. With 100% AI adoption, real-time yield optimization, and predictive defect prevention will become standard, leading to a 25% boost in yield. This sets the stage for the next leap: digital twins. From 2027 to 2028, virtual fab simulations will enable advanced process optimization and risk-free testing. These capabilities will shorten development cycles, resulting in a 50% faster ramp to production. By 2029-2030, quantum computing will unlock new levels of complex optimization. Quantum-based molecular modeling and ultra-precision control will deliver a 1000x increase in compute performance. Finally, starting in 2030, we anticipate fully autonomous fabs, self-optimizing systems requiring zero human intervention and achieving over 95% yield through perfect process control. This timeline charts a transformative decade ahead. Future outlook and conclusions. The semiconductor industry's future hinges on key insights and actionable strategies. First, yield is everything. Even a 1% yield improvement translates into $2.5 million in annual savings, making yield enhancement absolutely critical for profitability. Next, AI is proving to be a game changer. With a 30% potential improvement in yield through AI analytics, this transformative technology is reshaping how fabs operate. Finally, early investment pays off. Yield programs typically achieve payback in just 6 months, offering rapid return on investment and justifying immediate action. To capitalize on these insights, several strategic actions are recommended. First, invest in AI and machine learning systems now to deploy predictive analytics. Second, implement real-time monitoring to enable continuous process feedback. Third, build cross-functional teams to integrate yield expertise across disciplines. Fourth, develop a strong talent pipeline by training the next generation of engineers. And lastly, foster industry collaboration by actively sharing best practices. Future outlook and conclusions. The semiconductor industry is on a bold path toward a $1 trillion valuation by 2030. To reach that milestone, manufacturers are targeting a 95% yield rate, aiming to reduce costs by 50%, and fully adopting AI across all fabs. With these objectives, the typical payback time for investments in yield improvement is just 6 months, proving how rapidly these initiatives can return value. As the industry pushes the limits of technology, 1 nanometer nodes represent the next frontier in miniaturization and innovation. Success in this field is increasingly measured by yield and profitability, demanding excellence through continuous improvement. Innovation continues to drive progress, transforming what's possible in process control and manufacturing efficiency. The mindset is clear. Mastering yield and defectivity is mastering the future of semiconductors. The future isn't coming, it's already here. To win, companies must lead in excellence, innovation, and strategic execution.